the front. I do not tolerate fighting at my gigs.